Hello friends, so today we are discuss this question from leetcode, problem number 1221, split a string in balanced strings. The question states that you are given a balanced string and the balanced strings are those strings which have equal number of R and L characters. Okay, and so you are actually given a balanced string and you have to split it in the maximum amount of balanced strings as possible. So you have to return the maximum amount of balanced strings, the number of balanced strings. So as you can see in this question, this is the input string. It is balanced because as you can see the total number of R and L are equal, and you have to split this in maximum number of balanced strings such that the divided strings must have equal number of L and R. Okay. So what we can do is we can readily move from left to right and divide that string into the strings in which the whenever the total number of L and R becomes equal, we will divide the string at that point. As you can see in this question, L and R is one string, then RRLL becomes one other balanced string, then LR, then LR. Because these now there are four balanced string here because total number of L and R in this is 1, in this is 1, in this is 2, in this string L and R is 1. So that's it. We like in this question we will move from left to right. So now here is only one R, but there are 4L and then there are 3R. So how many total number of L and R they can be present? So when we move from left to right, first there are L and R present. So one string can be this. Then we move from here L, 3L and 3R, and then 1L and 1R. So there are three strings possible. So what we can do is we have to find out the total number of balanced strings, maximum number. So we'll make a counter, and then what we can do is we will first iterate over the string length, and what we have to check is whether the count of L and R become equal. So to show the count of L and R, we can make a vector of size 2 and initialize it with 0. And what we can do is we will first will move at a like this counter is moving in the string. When I equal to 1, we are at the first character. So we first put that character in the count, this frequency vector. So what we can do is so if, or else we can do it like this also. If S of I is equal to L, so we will increase the value of the first frequency vector value, or if it's not equal to L, then it would be R. So yes. So in this we'll incrementing the L and R value, and if okay, at initial L and R would be 0, so it is not beneficial such that L and R at 0 is also counted. So whenever any one of them is 0, we are not counting it. So the value should be at non-zero, and what we have to do is when a of 0 is equal to a of 1, it means the frequency of L and R becomes equal. So what we have to do is in that case we have to increase the total, the count, and we can also do is because we have taken this L and R as one string, we can subtract or we can make the value of A equal to 0 at that point, because now we have removed that string from the original balance string. You can or you cannot do it, it is not necessary, but because the string is removed from the original string, we are like dividing these strings out, so we can make the string 0, and then after going through a loop we have to just return the total number of maximum number of balance strings. Yeah, that's the code. We're just counting LNR and we're just printing it. Yeah. So yeah, it's running 100% fine. And thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please mention it in the comment box, and I'll try to rectify it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe and hit the like button. it gives me motivation to continue this work. Thank you for watching this video and see you.